Alright, welcome to this channel. This is the first video in this series about making a game like Vampire Survivors. This is a survival game where you're a character based on Castlevania, it looks like, and you're basically fighting a horde of monsters and trying to survive as long as you can. In this first video, we're going to create the player and player movement. I've already done this because I've done 3 videos and the sound didn't work, but I think it'll work this time. Anyway, if you're new to Unity, to create a player, what you want to do is right click 2D object, sprites, and select any sprite you want. I selected the capsule, and this is what will come up. And on this capsule, we're going to put a script. So in your assets folder, click on assets in your project window. Right click, create folder, and create a folder that says scripts. Inside your scripts folder, do the same thing. Right click and create a player folder. Don't focus on anything else right now. And then inside of this, you're going to right click, create C# script, and name it player. Player movement or character movement, whatever you want it to do. And so this is what the script looks like. We have 2 floats, X movement and Y movement, and then a public float. These are private floats, and this is a public float. Speed. Okay, so I'm gonna make I made 2 methods. You're gonna make 2 methods. One is called set movement, and basically it's setting the X movement and the Y movement to your input. This is the old input system, because I haven't learned the new input system. I need to, but I haven't. So anyway, this is input.getAccessRaw horizontal times speed times time.delta time, and delta time is the completion in seconds since the last frame, and Y movement is going to be the same, except instead of horizontal it's going to be vertical. And then in move, we're going to use translate. A lot of people will use rigid body velocity, but I think it's tighter to use translate. That's just my opinion. Everything that I've ever programmed seems tighter to use translate. So anyway, that's transform.translate a new vector 2, and it's X movement and Y movement. And you should get, once you've done that, save your work, and then on your player object, put your script. You can just drag it on, or you can come to add component and type player. And that's what happens. I'm going to remove that. Alright, so, and we'll have 2 players moving. So now you have 2 players. Well, excuse me, you have a player moving. On my player, I drove the main camera onto the player so that the camera follows the player. And that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe. Also, you can check me out on Patreon, and the link will be in the description. Thanks.